what is going on, you guys? This is probably going to be my second upload of today, May 24th, 2021 at 6:06 p.m. And in today's video, I'll show you how to add waving grass to your Roblox game. This is actually built inside of Roblox. It's just a built-in feature, so it's really simple to do this. So there's a plugin that makes you be able to convert parts to terrain. I think this is pretty useful. I'll link it down in the description. So if you do have this plugin, you're just gonna make your grass, and it is so simple. You just go to terrain, you open your properties, decoration. To open properties, you go to review, and make sure you have the Explorer open. Go into workspace, terrain, decoration, and there you go. You have waving grass. And if I test, there's a few things that we actually need to know about the grass. And it's not really that complicated. So, on lower graphic settings, or the grass actually starts waving at the third graphic setting, and it starts to like slowly improve the quality. On max graphics, the grass actually has their own shadows. But anyways, a very short video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Peace out.